Hi, my name is June Kate, and here I am on my beautiful Tampa Bay. I'm with Tampa Bay Bodies. I am a line dance instructor, and today we're going to learn the Boot Scootin Boogie. How's that? Easy. I know there's a lot of them out there. I am the simple version. That's what I do. Simple, easy. Think of me as grade 1st through 5th grade. You want to go further, that's great, but I'm at the beginner level. So I'm going to scoot back and I'm going to show you how to do it. We're going to start with toe fans, then we're going to back up, we're going to scoot forward for 4, grapevine right, grapevine left, stomp and fan. And it is a 4-wall dance and it's counterclockwise. So I'm going to back it up and follow along. Here I go. Okay, here we go. You see my feet. Okay, my weight's on my left foot. We're going to do a toe fan. So we're going to pick up our toe. We're going to fan 2 times. So with the count, that's 1, 2, 3, 4. Now the last 4 counts of that 8 counts, we're going to go up on the balls of our feet. We're going to go side, 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 side. So we're going to do heel fan. Now, if your shoes are not sliding along, well then you can just take your hips and hip, 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 hip. So let's try this. Weights on our left foot. Ready, and fan 2. Heel, 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 heel. Those are your heel fans. Weights on your left foot. You're going to back it up. You're going to scoot forward. So you're going to pick up that left leg and you're going to scoot, scoot, scoot. Then you're going to grapevine to the right and grapevine to the left and stomp and fan 2, and you're on the next wall. Let's try it together. Our weight's on our left foot. Ready, and fan 2. Heel, 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 heel. Back it up and scoot, scoot. Grapevine right and grapevine left. Stomp fan 2. Heel, 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 heel. Back it up and scoot, scoot, scuff. Grapevine right and grapevine left. Stomp fan 2. Heel, 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 heel. Back it up and scoot, scoot. Grapevine right and grapevine left. Stomp fan 2. Heel, 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 heel. Back it up and scoot, scoot. Grapevine right and grapevine left. How did you do? Now those scoots, those scuffs, just do them if you can. Get the basics down and then put a little style. Make sure that you are, waving your hand, having a good time. And I always tell my students, don't worry about your feet. If you're from the shoulder up, if you have a big smile on your face and you're standing straight and tall, everybody's going to be looking at you and that beautiful posture. Don't worry about the feet. Just try to turn when everybody else does. So until I see you again, this is June Kate on my beautiful Bay Shore. Keep on moving and keep on dancing.